Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Flybuys app on your mobile phone, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened the App Store or Play Store, and now you need to search for the Flybuys on the search bar. So once you do that, you can see there is an app at top on in the screen, which is distinguishable by its logo and is developed by the company name Flybuys NG. And don't forget, you will find the download option at the right side. Just tap on the download icon and your download will begin automatically. So yeah, once your download gets complete, simply tap on the open and you will be able to access it. So basically this is how you can download Flybuys app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.